Nuela. And the rest of the students. Question, go ahead. I want to hear question.
No, show me again how you came up with r squared plus 5, please.
Aha. Look at that. If you, let me make it zoom. Zoom. If you discover que r plus 1 and r plus 1 is the same, you factor out r plus 1. That means que this guy go out and this guy go out. Entonces I open the new parenthesis to enclose the remaining part. And what is the remaining part? See, this guy go out completely. Stay only r squared, okay, it is r squared. And this is go out completely, stay 5, okay, this 5. End the story. Clear?
Thank you, yes.
Super. Let's practice. This is my first example. Those maybe it's a little bit confusing, not clear 100%. However, you see now another example. T squared plus 80 plus 90 plus 72. Entonces my first possibility is, well, I try to find the GCF in the first couple. Okay, by the way, what is the GCF in this expression? And the GCF in the second, no? But let's do it step by step. And the blue part, what is the GCF? GCF in the first couple. And GCF in the second couple. What is the GCF? What part you see common?
Is it 2?
No. Focus in the blue part. In T squared and 80, what is the GCF? No, Bianca. T squared is TT. T times T. T squared is T times T. And 80 is 80. And you see, wow, T is a common factor. And you factor out. Bianca, do you see or no? You factor out T and stay inside T plus 1. Okay, yes. Bianca say yes. And what is the GCF in the second? Well. 72, I know that 72 is 9 times 8, no? And the other guy is 90. Y 90 is 90, no? Entonces es obvio que 9. Very well, 9 is a common factor. I factor out and stay T plus 8. In this moment, what is my face? My face is happy or sad? Because sometimes it's sad, it's happy, because T plus A is the same. Okay, sometimes, if I make a selection wrong, you don't get the same factor. In this case, everything is happy because it's the second example, no? Pero no always is happy. So I can see que T plus A is a common factor. I factor out the second time. This is my first time. I factor out second time. In the second time, I put T plus A out, open new parenthesis, and stay inside parenthesis. What stay inside the next parenthesis?
T plus 9.
T plus 9.
T plus 9.
Exactly. End the story. And this is my answer. Que corresponde with the option, what option? A, no? By the way, the first one that we are doing is option also A, no? ¿Es A o no? Okay, I am recording the video, no? Let me see. Yeah, somebody help me. Who helped me to record?
It shows Alicia is recording.
Alicia, don't left, okay? Because you are left, entonces the recording is stopping. Si you need to left, let me know. Entonces I continue the recording, no? Alicia. Okay, Alicia. Okay. Entonces, any question about number 8? Oh, it's easy or no? Grouping is easy. How you know? I had the question. Go ahead. Bianca, go ahead. Activate the microphone. Bianca. It is, Nuela. It is easy, yeah. Bianca. You have no microphone, entonces in the chat. get t plus 9 because they are the outside factor. Yes, absolutely. I'll say because they are the outside factor. This is the conclusion. Bianca say it's t plus 9 because this t and this 9 is the outermost factor. Good. This is the conclusion. Okay. Number 9. Number 9 is x cubic plus 3x squared plus 6x plus 18. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3, 4. When you see in the problem 1, 2, 3, 4, grouping, always. Entonces I separate in this order. GCF in the first couple, GCF in the second couple. What is the GCF in the first one? Okay, what is the GCF in between x cubic and 3x squared?
X squared.
Exactly, x squared, the common part. You remember, you take the smaller exponent. Entonces, x plus 3, no? So when you eliminate, when you factor out x squared, you focus it in the blue part. You have 3x. You put 2 outside, stay only 1. And 3x squared, you put x squared completely out. Stay only 3 without x. No x anymore. What is the GCF in the green part, in the second couple? Well, I know que 18 es 6, it's obvious. Es 6. Es 6. Because I know que 18 is 6 times 3, no? So inside 18, we have one hiding 6. I factor out. So in my mind, if you want, you break it down like that mentally. I can see that 6 is a common factor, stay x plus 3. And one more time, my selection was good. I am happy because the factor x plus 3 is the common factor. I am doing the second stage of factorization, is x plus 3 outside. I open the last parenthesis, and inside the last parenthesis, we have x squared plus 6. Final answer, it corresponds with the option D, no? I guess so. You correct me if I make a mistake, guy. And doing well? Or no? And doing well? Yes or no?
You're fine. That's the right answer.
Okay, correct. Bianca is yes. Okay, thank you. Thank you. The student can help me. Suppose number 10, UB is a variable. Minus 7U plus 5B minus 35. Again, a good candidate to be by grouping because we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Entonces I try to GCF in the first couple and GCF in the second couple. U.
Sorry.
We have two variables in that problem, U and B. I know I write my U, my weird U like that. It's okay?
It's okay.
Do you understand que U?
No,
and it's a B. It's a no U. What is your U? Like that?
Yes, it's like that.
But this is confusing with the M something, no? Capital M, no? So I make a decision to omit this step. Okay, but this is not important. You understand que U, right? What is the great common factor in the first couple, que es the blue color? U. Open parenthesis, B minus 7. What is the great common factor in the second? It's the green couple. Bueno, I know que 35 is, 5 and 7, entonces factor out. Entonces, in my mind, I break it down mentally, que dice 5 and 7, ¿no? Y I see que 5 is a common factor. Open parenthesis, B minus 7. Again, the selection was good because B minus 7 is the common factor. Entonces, I factor out B minus 7. Open the last parenthesis, inside we have U plus 1. Que es de 8. Option B, ¿no? Eso. Option B. Okay. Okay. Easy. That part is easy. Grouping is easy. I know. Everyone understand very well. But I promise that this chapter is not easy. Okay, you see what part is complicated. Very complicated. Very complicated. 11. 11 is 6x squared plus 27 ry minus 2xr minus 9xy. Okay, I try as always this combination and this combination. Okay. Okay, what is the GCF in the first part? It's the blue part. I need to find GCF between 6x squared and 27 ry. Well, 6 is 2, 3. 27 is
R square.
No. Common factor. GCF. What is the don't have common part? Yes, we have common part. And the numerical part we have. Noela, look. In the variable part, x, y.
It's
3. Okay, you need to analyze everything. Numerical part first. Break it down. S3 is a common factor. And the variable part, we have no common factor. So, okay, I don't know if this is good or no. I try. So I factor out 3. Stay inside the parentheses. 2x squared plus 9 ry. Okay. What is the common factor in this part, in the green part? Is r instead of, let me see, r. It's r. Okay, in that part is the great common factor. What is the great common factor in between?
X.
Is x, no? Es x. But it's much better using x or negative x. I suppose it's much better negative x because we are two negative, no? We have two negative. Entonces es negative x, ¿no? I factor out negative x. Entonces we have 2r plus 9y, ¿no? Entonces I am so sad, sorry, because this factor and this factor is completely different. That means the selection was not good. The selection was not good. So not necessarily always is the first and the second. Okay, let me try another combination.
Professor, you wrote problem wrong.
Yes, let me see. What part is wrong?
Something wrong there.
What is wrong?
Factor x out of
It's
negative
not
r.
Only one is speaking. And this part is wrong, or in this part is wrong? In the first or in the second?
First part, blue line.
First part, okay. I factor out 3. So this 6 in my mind is like 3 and 2. And this is 3 and 9, no? Okay, the only common factor was 3. I put this 3 here. It stays 2x squared plus 9ry. What is the wrong part? It's correct, 9. Entonces,
no in the first part.
No x in the first part. In this part, this is no x here. What do you say? This no x? 6r squared.
I think she's
carajo. Yes. Thank you. I copied wrong, coño. Look. Okay. Forget about this. Okay. Never I found the answer. You know, one.
Yeah, it's better to start all over.
Yeah. One stupid variable screw up everything. It's R, no? Plus 27 RY minus 2X R minus 9XY. Now I could be right, I could be wrong. I could be right or wrong.
I need to open the package.
Open what? The package. I print the package. I have in my hand. Good. Okay, Giancarlo, thank you. Okay, now, again, same situation. Can you help me? What is the GCF in the first couple? What is the GCF in the second couple? What is the GCF in the first, in the blue bar?
It's
On the first,
S3R. S3R. Very, very well. S3R. Because inside 6 we have 2, 3. Inside 27 we have 3, 9. Or 3, 3, 3, whatever, no? And 3 is common. An R square and 1R. Okay. Open parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, please help me. Why copy inside?
It's 2R
2R plus
9Y.
9Y. Because these R go outside. Okay, what is the GCF in the second?
It is
It's important. It's important. No, you say no. The common is X. No, es Irma. Irma Villanueva 6 es negative X, professor. Because I need to create the condition to make happy. Si you suppose que you factor out. Suppose que I don't know. Y I factor out positive to it. Positive X. Okay, X. I saw. We have minus 2R minus 9Y. And when you compare this guy and this guy is similar, pero completely opposite sign. Therefore, it's much better factorization negative X. Entonces, we have negative X, open parenthesis, we have 2R plus 9Y. Let me check in just in case to make sure. Negative and positive and negative. Negative and positive and negative. Good. And now I am happy.
It looks right.
Because this factor and this factor is the same. I factor out one more time in the second part of the problem. Here I copy in the last part 3R minus 6. End the story. What option you consider is correct? Termina está todo el día en clase. Okay. Entonces, everything okay o no? No? Confusing?
It's B, no?
It's what?
B.
It's B. Let me see. Yes, okay. It's important to say something. It's important que this answer, suppose que another student manipulate in different way 3R minus X and 2R plus 9Y. It's obvious. It's the same. No, we're doing well. Pero suppose que in the manipulation, not in this problem, in another problem, you get in the factor switching, no? You are right, Irma. Okay. Entonces it's the same. Because it's clear, remember, we are working with the factor. And factor is multiplication. 4 times 3 is equal 4 times 3. So you permutation the factor, the answer is 10. No es you have echo. Okay. Okay, maybe it's because, Nuela, you put it in off the microphone this. Okay. 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 Entonces, everything is clear? One more. Number 12. And you help me. Number 12. Doesn't matter how you put the in Alex. Yes, I suppose que Alex understand. Good question, because Alex picky. But I suppose que Alex understand. Alex is picky, but it's smart. What is the typical stupid thing Alex don't understand? Suppose one half. Suppose que the answer one problem is one half. And you leave it like that, 2/4. Okay, you forgot reduce and lowest term. Entonces, si you put this answer, Alex say it's wrong. Y it's the same. Pero in the factorization, no. Alex is smart, and Alex understand very well que si you permutation the factor, it's the same answer. Okay, Jose Cofiño start a call. Okay, Jose, how's it going? Jose, listen, Jose. Listen. Jose is our tutor. Es our tutor, Jose. Espérate, wait a second, Jose. Okay, stop sharing. Jose, are you there? Jose, do you hear me or no? Okay. Listen to me. Jose is our tutor. I don't know if he's here or no. I see is inside the meeting, but guy, in the second test, the majority of you are doing well, but there are some students that are doing very bad. Okay. Now you need to take advantage the tutors and ask me throughout the period of the test to clarify, to understand, and to pass the class. There are a lot of people that send email, horrible email, because if you don't reaction, I drop immediately for the class. Okay? This is remote class. Jose help a lot. Okay. Ingrid say que Jose help a lot. Entonces,
Absolutely.
Ingrid,
Yes.
could you explain quickly how you communicate with Jose?
Well,
come on.
You can do the homework with him.
How? But how you communicate with him? How you communicate?
I get him at 8:00 in the morning because he
Because
goes home around 12 noon. So you got to be there early. And he will explain step by step.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And it doesn't matter if you don't understand. He'll do it again and again.
In the tutoring section, no? Of the Miami-Dade College
Yes.
webpage.
It says math and science, but I have made a lot of improvement after I met with Jose.
O sea, Jose is our particular tutor. Okay, you can select another, pero es Jose. This class is the Jose class. Okay, like this is the George class. It's George me, no? Bueno, remember que I am no George, I am Jorge. No appointment. Bueno, yes, you need to set out the appointment a little bit, but not necessary appointment because frequently in this room there are a lot of tutors waiting for you, no? Guy, Ingrid, you correct me, say making mistake. There are a lot of tutors or no? Or a few tutors?
There are a few.
Oh.
But if you really want help, be there from 8 a.m. and before noon.
Oh, I understand. Okay. Thank you so much. Well, okay, we continue. Let's go to the whiteboard. I don't remember what problem we are doing, what number we are doing, guys. Number 12 now, no? Okay, number 12, say 12. Ingrid, you have echo. Okay, no, Ingrid putting off the microphone now. Minus 6y minus 2x plus yx. Okay, I know this. Okay. Listen now. Again, I try to matching or analyze this couple and this couple. So what is the GCF in the first couple and the blue couple? What is the GCF in the blue couple?
It's
maybe the what is? Is it maybe the connection is bad for everybody?
It's 6%.
I don't know. My internet is strong. My internet is strong. I use a new computer. Do you say something? What is the GCF in the first couple?
6.
6. Very well. Because I got interpretation like a 6, 12, like a 6 and 2. 6 is a GCF. Open parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, what do you write?
2.
2.
And
minus?
Negative y.
Minus y. 2 minus y. What is the GCF in the second? What is the GCF in the second? What is the common you can see? X, no? You recommend me factorization X or negative X?
Negative X.
Exactly. Negative X. This is the detail. So we have 2 positive minus y. Yes or no? Okay, just in case I checking verification. Negative times positive is negative. Negative times negative is positive. Okay, I'm doing well. And in that moment, I am happy or sad? Happy because I can see que tú.
What? Professor, unmute yourself. Oh my God. Hakim, why did you mute him?
Yeah, I don't know what happened. Okay, it's mute. No, it's not mute. No, it's not mute. I say I don't know what happened. Sometime close. Okay, you come back. Do you see the whiteboard?
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay, super. Okay, entonces inside the last parenthesis we have what? Inside Noela, no? No, what mean no? Do you hear me or no? I make a mistake. No, it's okay. Entonces 6 minus X.
We can't see the whiteboard.
No whiteboard. Okay. Okay, Irma. Carajo. Let me see. Okay. Now? Irma, now?
Yes.
Okay, good. So this is the answer que corresponde with the auction. What auction, guy? What auction? Sorry. What do you say? Sorry, Rakim?
Because I think I accidentally put you out of the call.
I understand. It's okay. Okay, you are a good boy. What auction, guy? I said let's right or wrong. 2 minus y. SD, no? SD. Very well. So you feel strong in factorization by grouping? Now we start the complicated part. Oof. Very, very complicated. The complicated part is the trinomial. And trinomial means 3 guys. 3 terms.
Professor, are they equal or they are different?
No, completely different. Woo! Completely different. The reason, Noela, is que we have different trinomial. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3 trinomial, and you need to recognize what trinomial is. The first trinomial is called regular, and the regular is easy. This is easy. Some students call easy, the regular. The second is complicated. Complicated. It's not too complicated, but it's a name. No, trinomial. We are talking about poly. Okay. In algebra, when you have two terms, it's binomial. I promise you we study after binomial. When you have three terms, it's trinomial. And more than 3, 4, 5 is polynomial. So for example, when you see polynomial, it's grouping for sure. But we are studying now trinomial. Focus it, guys. Trinomial 3, guys. It's very, very complicated. So we have 3 kinds of trinomial. Okay, throughout the package, we study one by one. Don't rush, don't frustrate. But the classification is important. The regular is the easy. We study the easy now. The complicated is super hard. There are 2 different ways to solving that. 1 way, 2 way. I want to explain in detail. And the last one is easy, is square root. Square root, no, sorry. Perfect square trinomial. Perfect square trinomial. Perfect square trinomial. It's similar to the perfect square number, no? So suppose square root 25, 5, no? But square root 26 is decimal, 5 point something, no? So this is the number, perfect square. But we have perfect square trinomial, is relatively easy if you will be able to identification, it's perfect square. And so you are doing. So we study now trinomial. I want to start for the easy part, que es el regular. Suppose the problem 13. The problem 13 is x squared plus 9. Plus 9 no, plus 7. Plus 7 is plus 12. And you immediately know that we have 2 binomial. You open 2 parentheses because the factorization trinomial is formed by 2 binomial. And the variable is s. You put 2s. Now you need to find the combination. So the key is the combination. The combination. You need to find 2 numbers. Okay, multiplication, give me 12. Okay, this is this number, 12. And this number, addition, or sometimes subtraction, give me 7. Do you recognize what number satisfies this requirement? Yes or no?
Can you please zoom
3 and 4. Bianca Murillo, say 3 and 4. Because 3 times 4 is 12. And 3 plus, no minus, 4 is 7. Okay, sometime in another problem, we can see after this problem, you addition another or subtraction. In this case is 4 and 3, you put 3 and 4, in either way, in any place. I prefer, I don't know why, in my brain, I put it bigger first, and the smaller second. And the sign are positive. How do you know that the sign is positive? Because positive 3 times positive 4 is positive 12. And positive 3 plus positive 4 is positive 7. After I want to explain another way to visualize this because it's a little bit complicated. The analysis of the sign is a little bit complicated. Let me verification that the thing that we are doing so far is correct. Okay, how you verification, how you checking, how you double checking. Well, you are doing backward. What is the backward? Foil. You foil. Suppose this is mandatory checking, guys. Always. You multiplication. S times x squared. X times 3s is 3s. 4 times s is 4s. And 4 times 3 is 12. And now we combine, lighter is 7. Exactly like the original. We come back to the original. Remember, multiplication and factorization is the opposite operation. 3 times 5, 15. In that direction, multiplication. In that direction, factorization. The thing that we are doing is taking this trinomial and break it down, this trinomial into binomial. Pam, pam. Okay, this is the job. Application of this, I promise in your moment you can see. Okay, the only focus, coño, and understand this idea, right? Okay. Any question? Any question? Was easy the first one?
When you did the arrows, what did you mean by those arrows?
Aha. The arrow, Ingrid, the arrow is the direction of the operation. When you walking in this arrow, you multiply 3 times 5. When you walking in this arrow, you are doing opposite. Opposite is break it down 15 and 3 and 5. Okay?
Okay.
Ajá. Entonces, in the algebra expression, the thing we are doing now, I taking the original trinomial in that direction, we found that this is equivalent to this two binomials separated by time, because actually the operation inside here is time, multiplication. This is the factorization process. However, Ingrid, see, we are doing opposite direction. Okay, I did that here using FOIL. We come back to the same original trinomial, and this is multiplication. More clear now?
Yes, thank you.
Excellent. Super. Let's practice, guys. This is hard. I know it's hard, and sometimes find the combination. Irma helped me to find the combination, but sometimes the combination is a little bit hard, and also the sign, set up the sign is a little bit hard. Suppose the example 14 is u squared minus 9u plus 14. Okay, I know que I open two parentheses. I know que the variable is u. Okay, now the most important moment, find the combination. Find the key que open the door. Two numbers, try to find two numbers that multiply each other. Give me 14. And when you adding or subtraction, give me 9. I need to find two numbers. 7. 7 and 2, no? Yes, 7 and 2. Giancarlo says 7 and 2 because 7 times 2 is 14. And 7 plus 2
yes, 7 and 2
is 9. Okay, super. Y I know que the key que open the door is 7 and 2. I copy 7 and 2. Not necessarily in that way. Some students put 2 here and 7 here. I don't know, in my mind, I like the bigger first. Okay, now the signs. Okay, the sign is negative. Why? Let me explain. Okay, guys. When this sign, so the trinomial contains two signs. And this sign is a clue to understand this sign. Okay, and this sign, let me call this sign first sign. No? Do you like first sign? Doesn't matter what you call, no? Maria Jose. And this is the second sign. Okay, the dependency is from right to left or left to right. I call the first because it's the first that you need to pay your attention in this process. When the first sign is positive, that indicate me that we have the same sign. Same sign mean plus plus or minus minus, right? Remember, we have 4 combinations. However, see the first sign, get the clue to understand this, is negative. We have different sign, completely different sign. So the control of the sign is given by the first sign. different signs. Different signs. This is in plural, signs. That means plus minus or minus plus. But you discard completely this option. No apply in this example because I can see que this sign is positive. Entonces we expect plus plus or minus minus. What is the reason que I say minus minus? Because the second sign is negative. Si the second sign is positive, que is not this example, es plus plus. Pero si the second sign is negative, both are negative. Okay, that's it. No, I need a verification. This is correct. How? Remember, we are doing factorization in that direction. Now I am doing multiplication in that direction to come back at the beginning. You foil. U times u squared. U times negative 2 minus 2u.
Professor.
Wait, let me finish. Minus 7 and u is minus 7u. And negative 7 and negative 2 is positive 14. Yes or no? And we combine like term here is u squared minus 9u plus 14. And we come back at the beginning. Okay. Let me try to emphasize. To understand the sign, well, the combination, I suppose, was easy in this example. The key that opened the door was 7 and 2. This is clear for everyone. The sign is a little bit confusing so far. Entonces you analyze two signs. Nuela, this is my first sign, es plus. When this sign is plus, that means that we have the same sign. No different. And the second sign, que is this, is minus. That means que si es the same, both are negative. Come on, Nora, your question.
Wait. I'm sorry.
Okay. Come on.
So the when you said the negative 9 is the second sign. Is it because is the 9 lower than the 14?
Say again, the 9 is what?
Is it the number 9 is number lower than 14?
No. Okay, in the trinomial we have two signs, the first and the second. The first indicate us, when it's positive, que we have in the factorization the same sign, plus plus or minus minus. And the sign, no lower and no upper, no. Another example is different number, 14, 9, 20, 35. Entonces you see what is the sign of, or what is the second sign? Es negative. Entonces both factors are negative. Okay, actually, look. Actually, we have, it's hard to understand, only see two examples. We have, look. We have four possibilities. Plus, minus. Oh, no. Much better, right? Minus. It's the same sign. Plus, minus, and minus, plus. It's different. The control in what group living in here in the same, when the different, have the first sign. See, first sign is positive. Definitely, we are living in this country. See this, another example you see right now with me in few minutes. See, this sign is negative. Definitely, we are living in this country. Different sign. And the control, si es different, si es plus or minus, let's see in another example. Okay, guys. We cannot so far generalize any possibility because you need to see more examples to understand this. So let me. I don't want to erase that part 14. Let me go to the 15. In the 15, you see new situation. Okay, I want to discuss it now. Okay, 15. 15 is x squared minus x minus 6. Ooh. Okay, open two parentheses again. And you put a variable, que es x. I need to find the key. Okay, open the door. The key can open the door. This is a key can open the door. What is the combination? Two numbers can multiply, give me 6. And somehow, when you add or subtracting, give me 1. Because the number can participate in the game is 6 and 1. It's invisible 1 here. Where's the key? This is important, guys. The key. After we analyze the sign, from the key. What is the key? And sometimes, in another more complicated example, we have 2 keys. But only 1 key is good. We need the good key, and we need the bad key. Of course, the bad never use it. In another example, in this case, no. In this case, no. What two numbers can multiply give me 6, and somehow when you adding or subtracting, give me 1. Help me to find the key.
3 is divisible by 6. By 2 also.
Entonces, what is your proposal? 3 and 2?
Looks like it.
Yes. 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 minus 2 is 1. This is a combination. This is a combination. This is a combination. This is a combination. 3 and 2. Remember, I put the bigger first and the smaller second. Okay. I found the key. I copied that. Now I need to set out the signs. The sign. Look. The sign. When the sign, this is the first sign. And negative. Different sign. Yeah, Nueva say it's different sign. It's different. Who is positive and who is negative? Okay, listen to me. Now the second sign, control. The sign always of the big number. So automatically this negative, I put here. Yeah, I know according to the agreement of the first sign is different. Entonces plus. Just in case, I need to make sure. How you make sure? For it. Okay, you multiplication. X times x squared. X times 2 plus 2x. Minus 3 times x minus 3x. Minus 3 times positive 2 minus 6. And we combine like there here. X squared, 2 positive, and negative 3 and negative 1. And we come back at the beginning. See, we come back, we are doing right. See, I promise that sometimes you foil and this is wrong, and we need to analyze another key. Okay. One more time. The most complicated part, in my opinion, is the sign part. But you need to understand very well. Remember, we have 4 combinations. Yeah, don't worry. I promise you get the idea. Not necessarily in this, maybe in the next example. You have 4 possibilities. But we discard the same of different, analyze only the first sign. The first sign give me like the correct information, si es the same or it's different. Finally,
why do you call the 6 the first sign, and why do you call the other one the second sign?
I call.
Why not?
Bueno, because I want. We can call Maria. We can call Jose. It's a name. It's just a name to reference. Jose Maria. Okay, what is the sign of Maria? Maria is negative. Si Maria is negative, entonces we expect different sign. Si Jose is negative, the Jose give me the information for the sign of the bigger number, que the bigger is 3. And Maria say que es different, entonces the 2, que es the small number, is positive. So the name is not important. I call first and second. You have 2 signs in the trinomial. In the original trinomial, we have 2 signs. And this sign give me completely the information to set up the sign for the final factorization. The interpretation is clear. I want to repeat one more time. I know it's hard, okay? It's hard to memorize in the first time. You analyze the first sign. You know what is the first sign? The first sign is Maria. Si Maria is negative, we expect different sign. For example, in the example 14, I do not erase intentionally. Maria is positive. Do you understand this? Now we expect the same sign. And the same sign is or both positive or both negative. Well, definitely was both negative. But in the example 15, no. In the example 15, Maria is negative. Therefore, is different sign. And the final conclusion is looking the sign of the second sign, que es José. José is negative, and you assign directly copy, 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 paste, paste, paste to the bigger number. And the other is different, get positive. End of story. It's confusing or no? Wow.
Yes, it's confusing.
Yes, I know. Let's see one more example. Let's see one more, and you help me to understand. Please.
Yes, Professor. I think I have like to avoid.
Yeah, I don't hear very well. I hear like that. Ba, 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 ba.
It's okay.
Okay.
Echo.
Okay. Entonces, speak, no too loud, maybe to avoid echo. Come on, Noela. Or using the chat. Come on.
No, it's okay.
It's okay. Let's go to the 16, and you help me. Everyone help me to understand the 16. Okay. I know the professor explained me. Okay, I open two parentheses. This is classical. I put an A of the variable que es X. Now I need to find the key. What is the key? Two numbers can multiply give me 21.
Yeah,
somehow.
7.
7 and what?
Times 3 is 21. And
Exactly.
4 times 3 is 7. Then the sign is where I want to get.
Entonces, and 7 minus 3 is 4, correct? Because not always it's plus. It's plus or minus. It's the idea. You need to find, correct. You need to find two numbers. This is the boxes. When you multiplication period, give me 21. And two boxes, again, get the same, copy and paste. It's the same. Okay, when you adding or subtraction, depending the sign, give me 4. Es obvio que 7 times 3 is 21. And 7 minus 3, I'm using the minus, no plus, is 4. Correct? This is the key. Yeah, I copy 7 and 3. All right, what about the sign? What do you think? Different sign or same sign?
Well,
different.
The first sign is minus. That's how you're teaching us, right?
Therefore, what is your conclusion? Same sign or different sign? Different. Very well. Different. Very well. And who is positive and who is negative? Who is positive and who is negative? Remember. The first is negative. No. Remember, the second sign. So you are doing well the first sign. But the second sign always give me the information. Okay. Of the sign of the bigger number.
Higher number, right? That's
higher number. Very well.
That is what I keep on messing up with.
Okay, I did that. No, I need to verification that this is factorization is good. Always mandatory. No, I am lazy. No. You are lazy. You don't pass this class. And you foil now. You foil. X times X squared. X times minus 3 is minus 3x. 7 times X is 7x. And positive 7 and negative 3 is negative 21. And when you combine like term here, 7 minus 3 is 4. Positive 4. Exactly with the original. This is the checking part. Guy. Okay, it's mandatory. Come back at the beginning. See, this is identical twin brother. Your factorization, okay, this part is good. You are the best in Miami-Dade College. Otherwise, you are the worst in Miami-Dade College. Okay? Okay. And you see in the options, so what option you select in that case, 16? I am still having a hard time to recognize the sign. Okay. I repeat again. Don't worry. Don't worry, be happy. Okay, let me write.
Yes, do it again.
Do it again, what?
When it comes to the signs, because we figured out the numbers.
Okay, let me try to bring different example I create in my mind to illustrate this idea. Suppose this, x squared minus 5x plus 6. Suppose another case, x squared minus x minus 30. Suppose another guy, case x squared minus, plus 4x plus 4. That's it. It's okay. Okay, I open 1, 2, 3, 4 parentheses. I put a variable, x. Not always is x. Sometimes it's y, sometimes it's z, sometimes it's u, sometimes it's b. What is the key to open the door in the first one? What is the key to open the door in the first one? Two numbers can multiply each other, give me 6. 2 and 2? No, in the first. First, second.
Where are we, Professor?
Say again?
Where are we?
Bueno, in the board, no?
No, Professor. Which exercise?
Number one.
Number 1. This is number 1.
Sorry, Professor.
No. I say I create 3 completely crazy examples to illustrate the problem of the sign. Que es de some student dice, I don't get yet the sign problem. Entonces, I create 3 examples I have in my brain. This
just made it up.
Exactly. This is my face. Look, this is me. Entonces, to explain my student, I'm thinking about this. Okay? It's not in the package. This is not in the package. Okay, who helped me in the first one? What is the...
3 plus 2 is 5, and 3 times 2 is 6.
Absolutely. Entonces, 3 and 2. What signs you see? Okay, pay attention. First sign is plus. That indicate me that we have the same sign. Same sign means plus or minus. It's obvious it's minus because this sign is negative. End the story. Okay,
why is it obvious that it's negative?
It's obvious because this sign is negative. And this sign, que es de second, Ingrid, is always the sign of the higher number. So this guy, you copy and pay here. Always.
But the higher number is 6.
No, the higher number in the factorization. Hello. Not in the original, in the factorization. You say what they say. Okay, I divide the microphone because I am paying attention for the board, so I cannot read quickly in the chat. Okay, do you understand number 1 or no? Yes, no. Yes, no. You are totally lost? Yes, okay, good. Let's move on to the number 2. And number 2, wow. I need to find the key to open the door. What is the key to open the door? 30. What 2 numbers can multiply 30? And somehow give me 1. I don't care the sign. The sign is not important now. In the analysis of the key is not important. Okay, 30. Well, 30, you know, 30 is 30 times 1. Okay, guys. This resource is very, very useful. It's 6 and 5. Very well. Okay. Some students say, Professor, but wait. Okay, I want to explain. In this case, extremely easy. But not always is extremely easy. Sometimes it's complicated. So I want to take advantage of that moment to explain what is the resource to find the number. Okay, some student, they say, no, Professor, I never found the number. I never found the key. I'm looking for the ceiling. Maybe ask for ghost. Give me the number. No. Okay, so you take 30. You don't care this. You take 30. And you break it down. 30, the only possibility is 30 times 1. But 30 is also 15 times 2. You put in the calculator. 30 divided by 2, 15. And 30 is also divided by 3 is 10 and 3. Divided by 4, no, a decimal. Divided by 5 is 6. Now, you adding and subtracting. 31, 29. 17, 13. 13 is a coincidence, and 7. And this is 11 and 1, because 6 minus 5 is 1. And this is the combination, because it's 1 here. Do you see or no? Okay, it's easy. You take this number, and you investigate all the factors que potential we can use in the problem. And thus you don't worry, you put in the calculator 30 divided by 2. Okay, but you adding the factor 15 and 2 and 15 minus 2. No, because you need to get the number in the middle. Okay, 1. It's obvious 6 and 5. You put 6 and 5. 6 and 5. Good. What sign? What sign? Same sign or different sign? Different. Because the first sign is negative. Maria is negative. Therefore, identification is different sign. Who is positive? Who is negative? 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 Who is positive? Who is negative?
I don't know.
Okay, so
you don't know.
So it's the higher number, 6.
Exactly. Exactly. Okay, this sign corresponds, is associated all with the higher number, and the other is positive. End the story. I did that. Okay, repetition the last time.
Yeah, you had a little.
A little what?
Like a template. Go up.
A temple, of course. Of course.
Up,
of
go
course.
up, go up.
No, but let me finish, no?
Yeah, no, but you had the plus and minus, minus.
Okay.
That helped.
The temple, okay. Pero let me finish, no? Because I am the teacher, no?
Yes.
Okay. So, and the number 3, what is the key for open the door? 2 numbers can multiply, give me 4, and addition, give me 4. Wow, what the hell is that? Okay. 2 numbers que multiplication, give me es 2, Es 2. Very well, Nola. 2. Because 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 plus 2 is 4. It's a coincidence. And when this situation happens, let me introduce this idea. This trinomial is perfect square. Okay, when the factor is the same, twin brothers, is perfect square. What about the sign? Is plus or minus? Or is plus minus or minus plus? It's the same. Very well. It's the same. Because no era so que this sign is positive. It's the same. And both positive. And when the situation happens, when they are twin brothers, you can write like that. X plus 2 is squared. So you leave it like that, perfect. But more elegant answer is like that. Because it's the same binomial. Okay, the temple. For Ingrid, for everyone. The temple. Okay, the temple say, if the first sign is positive, imply same sign. Same sign means plus, minus. If the first sign is minus, imply different sign. Different sign means plus. This is the formula, but the formula is not always Sometimes in mathematics, the formula is no 2x plus 3 equals 5. Sometimes the formula have different logic. Plus, minus, minus, plus. Aha, I don't finish. Complement it with this idea. And the second sign, and second sign is associated directly with the higher number. Okay, and this is the formula, guys. This is the formula. This is the formula. This is the formula.
Professor, can I say
Say again?
Professor,
I don't understand. Here,
Professor,
I don't understand. He say Cuba. Ah, Cuba. Yeah, Havana, Cuba. Havana, Cuba. Cuba is the mess right now. Unbelievable. My country. Okay? But I suppose that one day the situation change. Because using the common sense and
Professor, Nuela wants to take a picture.
Nuela want to take a picture.
Right, you couldn't understand her.
The picture about the temple.
The template.
Okay.
Formula.
Taking the formula. The formula is complicated formula because the formula involved beautiful. Yeah, it's beautiful. But the education was wonderful. In my time, I have fantastic teachers, but a lot of teachers leaving of the country to working in another place, doctors, etc. And now the education is a mess. Everything is a mess. I have opinion, but it is politics. I have 2 daughters, que is doctor, and she's good. She is good, and is super good, but not always is good now. Okay. Yes. Okay, guys. Entonces, I suppose you understand the signs, temple. Okay. What number we are doing now? 17, no? 17? 17, okay. 17 is x squared minus 2x minus 80. You see, guys, can the choice, can we have any problem? Sometimes you see the word prime. What mean that? Prime is que es impossible factorization. So no, okay, prime, for example, in the numerical prime is 7. 7 is a prime number. 7 we cannot break it down in any number, in 7 and 1 only, but 1 no, no 1 is no prime. So prime means que this expression is impossible factorization. Okay? Okay, so this is one possibility. Not always is possible factorization. Let me try here. X squared minus 2x minus 80. Okay. Okay, there you go. Entonces now I open 2 parentheses, no? I open 2 parentheses. I put a variable que es x. Entonces, what is the combination? I need to find the key. And the key is 2 numbers that multiply give me 80. And when you adding or subtracting, give me 2. I have no idea, right? 80 times 1. When you adding, it's 81. When you subtracting, it's 79. Doesn't work because I need 2. 40 times 2. When you adding, it's 42. When you subtracting, it's 38. We are close, little by little. Maybe next week we find the number. 20 time, well, by 3 is impossible, by 4, yes. It's 24 and 16. You know, you approach a little bit. Divided by 5 is 16, and 5, 21, and 11, okay. By 6, no. By 7, no. By 8, yes, it's 10, and 8 is 18, and subtraction is 2. Oh, I got it, the combination. Do you see the process? Yes or no?
Yes, I see the process, but is there another way of doing it faster?
Well, okay, using your imagination, yes. Depending the your skill in arithmetic. I realize in my mind que 80 is 10 and 2, 10 and 8, and 10 minus 8 is 2. That's it. But sometimes it's not obvious. So I recommend this resource. Okay, maybe you navigate one by one, 1, 2, 3, 1 or 3 is impossible.
You put there 10 times 8.
Yeah.
You put 18.
18. Sí, porque yo, okay. This arrow indicate addition. This arrow indicate subtraction. I see the both combination. So, for example, 10 times 8 is 80, right? And 10 plus 8 is 18. So 10 plus 8 is 18. And 10 minus 8 is 2. And this combination is our combination because the middle guy is 2. Clear or confusing? Clear or confusing?
Yeah, it's there.
Okay. Now the combination is 10 and 8. Remember, my goal is my way. I don't know if it's good or not. I put the bigger first. 10 and 8. What sign? What sign? Same sign or different sign? Same sign or different signs? Different. Because Maria is negative.
Right. Different.
Different. Who is positive? Who is negative?
10 is negative because it's the higher number. And then
Absolutely perfect.
Oh my God.
Just in case. Boom. boom. Just in case I foil to verification, everything is okay. So you have no forgiveness to fail because you're checking. You multiply x times x squared. You multiply x times 8 plus ax. You multiply minus 10 times minus 10. You multiply minus 10 times plus the 8 is minus 8. When you combine like here, it's minus 2x. Exactly like the original. And so our answer, perfect, good, perfect, Noela. Our answer, the answer that we are looking for is this, is the factorization. So we are doing the process in the factorization direction, not in the multiplication direction. Okay, by the way, 17 should be the option. What option you select, guy? A, B, C, or D? What do you think?
Let me check.
Go ahead. No? Entonces we are doing wrong? Sí, es obvio que sí. But the problem is que es no in the same. Okay, you need to know que this combination and this combination are equivalent. It's the same. Okay, doesn't matter. The order is not important. It's not important in the fact. It's the same. It's equivalent. Let's see. Any question? Any question? Time is over or no? Wow, time is over. Wow, time is over. Time fly, carajo. Okay.
Yeah, we overdo it.
Yeah. Okay. Entonces, take a break, relax. Everything gonna be okay for you. Don't worry. Depending case, I assist by email, guy. Okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
My pleasure, as always. Okay. See you.
Goodbye. Have a nice week.